and we're getting ready for a cold snap this week. So I wanted to make sure I took pictures of everything currently in bloom. I have some Christmas ornaments I gotta put away still. But here's some hellebores. These look really cool when they're open with the dark hellebore. This one is Honeymoon New York Night. Love that dark flower. Some iris reticulata intermingled with some daylilies. It's Ballerina Ruffles. And actually, I'm gonna go this way. Another hellebore in bloom. I think that's Sandy Shores. It is Sandy Shores. Love the color. These are interplanted in the grass. These are Glory of the Snow, but they're like a pinkish purple. You can see the poppies are starting to come up. These are the oriental ones. Some more iris reticulata. Let's see what else we got. Some Tita Teats. Or iris reticulata. There's some crocuses which didn't open today. And these pretty things. These are, I think, squill. Gotta double check. Here's some of the coneflowers that are still up and standing, still acting as bird food. Good to leave them up. All right, so in the back garden, we still have a lot of the older hellebore leaves on the plants. I didn't trim them all off yet. So a lot of the hellebores are in bloom. Some of the Glory of the Snow. Lovely power cord, powering up the heated bird bath and the birdseed camera. And some daffodils are starting to come up. So let's take a look at what's blooming here. So these are some of the larger Glory of the Snows. This one is Spanish Flare.